Right guys, welcome back to Paddy Does Cars. Today we're going to take the Seat door panel off and see if we can find out what's wrong with the mirror, because it's not retracting in or out. So I'll set these up and we'll take the door panel off and we'll have a look. Back with you in a minute. Right guys, bear with me. Let's try and get this done. I just want to know if it's the mirror that's padded or if the wires are loose at the back. So let's get this off. I'm hoping it isn't the mirror, but I'm guessing it's the motor inside it. I mean, I don't know if you can check it to bits, the mirror. I mean, I don't know if anybody's done one. If you have done and you do know, if you can you drop me a message and let me know. It'd just be a bit handy, that's all, before I start taking things to bits and risking breaking it. Well, this has been off before. No screw. Hardly any screws in it. I'll show you around the other car as well when I've done this. £400 I paid for it. I'm hoping to make a bit of money on it. If you've seen me shorts, it'll tell you net £400, and from what I know, it just needs drop links and bottom arm. But that's what I've been told. That don't mean to say that it is. Different colour, so it's a different door. White. So the door's been changed at some point. I don't know if you have watched my other videos. I mean, the sound quality on them and that's not brilliant. I have just started out. If you want to go on my channel and just have a look, be nice, just to get a bit of support so that I can get the channel up and running. Have a look at the wires. Let's just put key in that one. Plug it in. Would help if I plugged it back in. So I dig. Nothing. Not a thing. Is there a fuse for it? Probably would have been a good idea to check that first. But I'm pretty sure it's the mirror motor that's gone. I wish I was working. That's a bit this up. Sorry about that, guys, I'm back now. Battery went dead. Yeah, there's nothing happening. So, you know, I'm not sure if it is the wiring. I'm sure it was moving back and forth early. You just try some. Leave the wiring broke inside. Nothing. Nothing at all. It don't seem to sit right either. So, mirror's going to come off. I'm not going to check it off now because it's getting a bit late. And I don't want to leave it off with all in the door in case it rains, obviously, and then I get water in the door, in the electrics, which will cause me more fucking problems. Sorry for swearing. So I'll just leave it all off for now. I've got the seatbelt buckle as well, got latch, that's to go on. Got it somewhere. You know, every time I get this car put together, I've got to take something else back off. So I've got that to go on, so the seat's going to come out. Which I'm going to do tomorrow. I'm going to take the seat out, swap that over, and then I'm going to take the airbag light out, hopefully. I've got the paint and everything now to do the bumper and that again. Just don't get like that's not working. Just a ball clutch now. All side work going, mint. Right. Then here you guys have got any idea, drop us a message please, because other than that I think I'm going to have to buy another mirror. It will be fixed. It will be fixed. Just I'm going to have to put more money into it. Cars, just put this back temporary for now. No point putting it on proper because it's all got to come back on. 2 minutes. Well, that's it back on temporary for now. Like I say, it's getting a bit late in the day to be checking mirror off, because if it isn't knackered I don't want to take it off, leave it off with the hole in the door, like I say. So I'm just a bit disappointed. I thought it was maybe a wire that had come off. Obviously not, obviously the motor's gone. So I'm going to look into it tonight and see if it is the motor, if I can take it to bits and maybe put a motor in instead of getting another mirror. I don't know as yet, but as you can see it's looking alright. This is the rest of the car. It's a nice car. I've got that one. 400 quid. I'm hoping to make a bit of money on it. It's a titanium model. I mean, the guy that I got it off, he said that the fuel pump in the tank was gone and it was too much hassle to change it. But since I've had it a couple of weeks, it's started every time. Apart from now, right, because the battery's dead. I'll show you around the back of this one. Still got a bit of pulling out to do at the back here. And then just basically tidy it up. I think the other one had, they had sensors in. The bumper I've got hasn't. I'm not 100% sure, but I think it did. I'll give you a quick look round it over. Well, I'll just show you from here. That's the next one to do. 400 quid. I reckon if I do it, I'll get between 9 and 1,000 for it. Because it is clean, and the inside it just stinks of mould. So, but I know that I'm just jabbering on at a minute, but if you do enjoy the videos, please like and subscribe. It would help me out a lot, because like I say, I'm just trying to get set up. At the moment all my tools are in the back room, so Missus isn't too happy. I will make another one tomorrow, taking the mirror off, and I'm probably going to strip it down because I'm a bit curious like that. I'll end up taking it to bits. So I'll make another one tomorrow. Stay safe everybody, enjoy the rest of the night, and I will speak to you soon. Ta-ta.